Hello students, in previous videos I have explained the concept how to convert the decimal number into the rational number. Okay, here now we will do exercise related to that. Okay, express each of the following decimal in the p by q form. Okay, p by q form means rational form. Now here we are having Roman number 1, that is 0.57. This is a decimal number. We should convert decimal to rational number. Okay, now let us see the process how we convert them. First 0.57. Okay, to convert this into rational number, the first thing we should do is we should see after decimal how many places are there. After decimal we are having how many places? 2 places. Okay, let us write the solution. After decimal we have 2 places. So we should multiply and divide by 100. Okay, multiply and divide by 100. If we have only one value after decimal, then we should multiply and divide by 10. Okay, that is the way how we can convert decimal to the rational form. Okay, now 0.57 into 100 by 100. Why we multiply and divide by 100? Since after decimal we are having only 2 places. Okay, that is why we are adding 2 zeros. Okay, we are multiplying and dividing by 100. Now we get 0.57 into 100 becomes 57 by 100. Okay, this is the rational form. Now we converted the decimal form into the rational form. Okay, this is very easy process. And let us see Roman number 2 now. What is Roman number 2? 0.176. Okay, now let us convert this. Okay, if we observe this, after decimal we are having how many places? We are having 3 places. So now we should multiply and divide it by 1000. Okay, we have 3 places after decimal. So multiply and divide by 3 zeros. Okay, that is 1000. Therefore 0.176 into 1 2 3 zeros by 1 2 3 zeros, that is 1000. This becomes this decimal point after 3 numbers, but we are multiplying with 3 zeros, so this decimal point cancels and we get 176 by 1000. Okay, 176 by 1000. We can cancel this by 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0 again we can cancel by 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. The final value becomes 22 by 125. Therefore the decimal number 0.176 is converted into the rational number. The value is 22 by 125. This is the rational form. Okay children, this is the way how we do. Now we will see Roman number 3. Okay, next question is 1.0001. Okay, if we observe here, after decimal we are having how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 places. So we should, 1 have 5 places after decimal. So what we should do? So multiply and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, means units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. Okay, this is the way how we do. Okay, now we multiply and divide it by 1 lakh. Okay, 1.00001 into 10000 5 zeros by 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Okay, if we multiply this number with this, we get this decimal goes cancels and we get 1 2 3 4 zeros and 1 5 by 10000. Okay, this is the value we get. Therefore the value 1.00001 is equal to 10001 by 10000. Okay, 1 lakh 1 by 1 lakh. This is the rational form we get. We cannot minimize this number again. Okay, this is the final answer. Now we will see the next one, Roman number 4, 25.125. Okay, here we are having 3 values after decimal. So just 3 values after decimal. So multiply and divide it by 1000. Okay, this implies 25.125 into 3 zeros by 3 zeros. Okay, this decimal point gets cancelled and we get 25,125 by 1000. Okay, we can minimize this value. We can cancel by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Again we can cancel by 5. 5 4s are 20. 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25 again. Okay, again if I cancel by 5, 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 1s are 5. Okay, we can't minimize this again. 201 by 8 is the final value we are getting here. Okay, therefore the decimal number 25.125 is equal to 201 by 8 in the rational form. This is the final value we are getting. Okay students, this is question number 1. I hope you understood. Now let us see the question number 2. Okay, question number 2, we will read out. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. Okay, this is similar to question 1, but in question 1 we have done for terminating decimals. Okay, these are terminating decimals, but in this question number 2, this is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, non-terminating decimal. So to convert this non-terminating decimal to rational form, we need another method. Okay, convert to rational form. For that, okay, here bar indicates that this number is going on repeating. Okay, now let us assume this number as x. Solution, let us assume x is equal to 0.9 bar. Okay, what bar denotes? Bar denotes this value is goes on repeating. Okay, that is 0.999 and so on. Therefore x is equal to 0.999 so on. Let us take this as equation number 1. Okay, now as this is a non-terminating decimals, now we can find the periodicity of this. Okay, what is the periodicity here? Periodicity is very important to convert the non-terminating decimals to rational form. Okay, here periodicity is, how many numbers are there in the bar? Only one number. So periodicity is 1. So we should multiply this equation 1 on both sides by 10. Okay, therefore multiply equation 1 by 10 on both sides. Okay, if in case periodicity is 2, then in that case we should multiply both sides by 100. If periodicity is 3, we should multiply on both sides by 1000. Okay, then as periodicity goes on increasing, the value which should be multiplied will also increased. Okay, now we should multiply by 10 on both sides for equation 1. We will see. If we multiply by 10, we get 10 into x is equal to 9.999 and so on. Okay, let us assume this as equation number 2. Okay, in the next step we should subtract equation 1 from 2, that is 2 minus 1. We get subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, what is equation 2? 10x is equal to 9.999 and so on. What is equation 1? X is equal to 0.999 and so on. Now we subtract these two, we get 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0 and 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 0 becomes 9. Okay, is equal to 10 minus 1, 9x. This implies 9x is equal to 9. This implies x is equal to 9 by 9. If we cancel, we get the value 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of the decimal number 0.9 bar, that is the non-terminating decimal 0.9 bar is equal to 1. This is the rational form. Okay, children, understood? For this we need to know the periodicity, and by using that periodicity we should multiply and divide by a number like 10, 100, 1000 and so on, and then we should subtract the second equation from the first equation from the second equation, and then we get the rational number. Okay, now we will see Roman number 2. Okay students, Roman number 2 is 0.57 bar. Okay, now let us take what we should take. X is equal to 0.57 bar. Okay, now 57 is repeating. This means 0.57, 57, 57 and so on. Therefore, x is equal to 0.575757 and so on. Let us take this as equation 1. Okay, similarly now we should know what is the periodicity. Periodicity is equal to, how many numbers are there in the bar? 2 numbers. So periodicity is 2. If periodicity is 2, what we should do? We should multiply 100 on both sides of equation 1. Okay, now let us multiply by 100. We get 100x is equal to 100 into 0.5757. After bar, these two places will move to before dot, before decimal point. Okay, it becomes 57.5757 and so on. Let it be equation number 2. Now in the same as first, Roman number 2, 2 minus 1 do. Okay, subtract first equation from second equation. Now we get 100x is equal to 57.5757 and so on, minus x is equal to 0.5757 and so on. Okay, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0, 0 0 7 and 5. Okay, now 100 minus 1 becomes 99x. Therefore 99x is equal to 57. This implies x is equal to 57 by 99. This is the rational number. Therefore 0.57 bar is equal to 57 by 99. Okay, this is the way how we convert the non-terminating decimal to the rational form. Okay students, now we will see Roman number 3, children. Okay, what is the question here? 0.729. Okay, we can see bar on 29 only. Okay, therefore what is the number here? Let us assume x is equal to 0.729 bar. It means 29 is repeating. Okay, only 29 is repeating many times. That is 0.72929 and so on. Let us take x is equal to 0.72929 and so on. Consider this as equation 1. Okay, now what is the periodicity here? In bar, how many values are there? Okay, only 2 values in the bar. So periodicity is 2. So if periodicity is 2, what we should do? We should multiply, therefore multiply 100 on both sides of equation 1. Okay, both sides of equation 1. Therefore 100x is equal to 100 into 0.72929 becomes, this 72 comes 2 places, moves to the left. Okay, we are multiplying by 100, so it becomes 72.92929 and so on. Equation number 2. Now we subtract the equation 1 from 2. This implies 100x is equal to 72.92929 and so on, minus x is equal to 0.72929 and so on. Now if we subtract 0 0 0 0, 9 minus 7 becomes 2. Here 2, 7 minus 0 becomes 7. 100 minus 1 becomes 99x. Therefore x is equal to 72.2 by 99. Okay, here we are having decimal point, so After decimal we are having one number, so multiply by 10 and divide by 10. To remove the decimal point we are multiplying and dividing by 10. Now we get 722 by 990. Okay, we can cancel this by